Ever wondered how subnetting works? By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics. Subnetting divides a network into smaller, more efficient subnetworks. It helps in better IP address management. Imagine having a large network with thousands of devices. Subnetting allows you to organize them into smaller groups. Each group functions as its own mini-network. This reduces congestion and improves performance. The key element in subnetting is the subnet mask. It's used to identify the network and host portions of an IP address. For example, in the IP address 192.168.1.1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, the first 3 octets represent the network. The last octet identifies the host. Now you have a basic understanding of subnetting. Hit the like button if you found this useful.